Hello, in this video I will show you Pulseway reviews, Pulseway RMM software, Pulseway software Linux. So let's start the video. Pulseway reviews 2022. Pulseway is RMM software built to help MSPs and IT team reduce downtime, take control and become more efficient. Pulseway provides all-in-one IT monitoring and management software filled with features and modules to boost your productivity straight out of the box and never miss critical alerts. Pulseway comprehensive remote monitoring and management RMM. Pulseway pricing. It starts from $39. Tier based pricing. Pulseway media. These are the Pulseway medias, and these are the reviews of the Pulseway. It has 4 rating. So next is the Pulseway Linux. The Pulseway Linux. Pulseway form Linux installation and configuration. Linux agent upgrade sample config.xml installation tutorial. Does Pulseway work on Linux? Open up your terminal. A SSH connection will work too and run the Linux installer. Once the customization is completed, you will need to restart the Pulseway service to load the new config file. How can I get a free Pulseway? Pulseway offers you a free 14-day trial that includes RMM, PSA, patch management and network monitoring. How to use Pulseway? This is the video. Which remote desktop software is the best? Top 10 remote desktop software: TeamViewer, AnyDesk, Splash, Business Access, Zoho Assist, and ConnectWise Control, Remote PC, VNC Connect, Beyond Trust, Remote Support. So hope you like this video. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.